we wanted to show a little close-up of the different lock bodies that we just walked you guys through. The first here being the tubular. You can really see you've got just less than 1 inch of hardware here and 2 locking points, one actual solid locking point and one sort of connection point, making this the least secure, however the most common setup that you may see.
Next, we go on to the mortice lock. So this is a more secure lock. You have your fully encased steel mortice body. It's almost a commercial type lock, so it's going to be more secure. It's going to last longer, and parts will not break down. So if you had a heavier door, if it was say 2 1/4 inches, the standard door is 1 3/4 inches, that extra ½ inch of thickness actually adds a lot of pressure to the locking points of a door. And a lot of times these tubular ones just are not made to take that weight. These ones will be. So you'd probably, if you have a 2 1/4 inch thick door, you'd want to upgrade to the mortice lock.
The last type of exterior locking system that most people are unfamiliar with is a multi-point lock. This is something that we see a lot in new construction. We see a lot of it in doors other than the front door. So patio doors, exterior doors, that kind of stuff. However, we do see them on front doors from time and time again. What's interesting with this type of locking system is that it does have 2 main connection points at the sort of same level as a tubular or a mortice lock. However, it does have additional locking points closer to the top of the door as well as closer to the bottom. Now, there are a few myths as to the benefits of that. However, 3 locking points, compared to just 1 is always going to give you a little bit more security. And the main thing that is a bit of a drawback with a multi-point is that it prevents you from using a larger grip set like we saw earlier, and forces you to use typically just a lever on a plate. And this will allow you to action the lock. There are several sizes of these available now. However, if you fall in love with the idea of a thumb grip or a larger piece of hardware on your front door, unfortunately the multi-point will just saddle you with a lever on a plate.
One other thing that we're getting asked for a ton is the electronic locks. And although the technology is being worked on, keypad or electronic locks for multi-points are not quite there yet. It's coming, but that would be another thing. So if you wanted a thumb grip or you wanted a keypad punch-in type deadbolt system, probably want to stay away from the multi-points for now.